Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate practice exam question. Great one submitted on our Facebook group. So if you aren't a member, link is down in the description below. So remember, join. You could ask me questions. I would love to answer them for you. So let's look at this question. The security of a loan made on real property depends upon A, the borrower's credit, B, the value of the property being liened, C, the stability and value of money, or D, all the above. Not D, not all the above. There's definitely one of these that sticks out. So, what do we use to secure a loan that is used to purchase real property? Well, we do not use the borrower's credit. The borrower's credit would be to qualify them for the loan. So if we were talking about what would allow someone to qualify for a loan, that would be the borrower's credit, right? We check the borrower's credit to make sure that there's no risk, okay? No adverse risk involved. But we're talking about what is securing the loan. So is that the stability and value of money or the value of the property being liened? And that is the value of the property in which we are putting the lien on it. So what happens is this. The bank gives the borrower money. The borrower gives the bank a note, which is a promise to repay, evidence of debt. And to secure that, they give them either a deed of trust, okay, they go through a deed of trust transaction, or a mortgage. And that is basically using the property as collateral for repayment of the loan. So basically, that is the answer right there. The security of the loan made on real property depends upon the value of the property being liened, which is used as collateral. So the correct answer is B. I hope you liked this one. I hope this was a good one for you. Got something out of it, went a little bit into financing. So, guys, if you like what we're doing, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and remember, go down below in the description box and you'll be able to see a link to our Facebook group. And we'd be more than happy to help you out and answer any questions that you might have. So, guys, I'm going to see you real soon.